Just cut one perfect bait. So tiny. Right here. Tiny for fishing. Lucky. It's got one. Right here. Nothing. Let's see. Get any? Oh my god, tiny. Nice. Nice one. Got two already. This one's so tiny. But maybe it's still good. Still good. Nope, no more. This is too tiny. These are too tiny. I don't know, is that okay or not? Too tiny. Put it back. Get around this side. Buông đấy, buông nó chăm đấy. You need to do like this so you can get bait. The fishing. Oh my god, got one. Yeah, perfect bait. Perfect one. Look at that, another. Got three already. Right here. Four. This one looks like slow. Need to get some water. Get some water. Let's see. Not bad. Oh yeah. Oi, got one. Oh my god, so many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got one fish. I don't know what kind of fish. What kind of fish? Little tiny fish. Little tiny fish. Little tiny fish. There you go. Got this. One. Oh. 2, 3. And what else? Another one right here, 4. Check it out, have any? Oh, they're so tiny. Phải hả tê? Nó phải hả? No. It's okay. Yeah. No more. See it? Perfect. Perfect luôn. Look at that. Hee. Got no. That's a really perfect bait. Đây là hộp luồng dạo tỏ nè. Nè, dạo nhận tỏ hắn nô nè mà. Fish bite like this. Not too big, not too small. I think that's it for today. Just a little bit. But that's okay. Better than nothing. Tôi tiên hắn bảo okay ạ. Cao dạo chế mai vậy nhung ạ. Okay? Mình bảo đéo luôn. Let's go fishing. First day this year fishing at New Melones. Yeah, New Melones. Now waters come up. Waters come up a lot. Let's see this side. Look it. Oh, you think we can walk over there? Look at that. Nice. Look at, oh, water come up here. A lot. Try it out. I see a lot of people fish over there. Maybe they might get the fish. Well, but chén à, bà béo hoa chăm nhé, tai mai béo như bao lâu. Yeah, try that out.
Ça c'est que ça, il y a encore, vous bien tout.
Got it. Yeah. Okay, get him. Put more weight. Try out. Tap all the way. Go low. That's perfect. Khoai đến nhà nhưng mà im nhận cầu không? I try warm. See what happens this time. Using warm. Nó nằm rung đấy. Yeah. See what happens this time. I go somewhere else. See what happens. Not bad. Got one. Big one. Let me measure. How big? Look at this. Big. Look at how big. Woohoo! See how big. Okay. 18. Hee hee. Get an 18. 18. Not bad. 18-inch black bass. I use crawdad. Crawdad. Look at it. Just no, I yanking. I put in there. I yank a little bit. Then I was like, boop. I was like, oh, fish. Right there.
You got lucky.
Đó đang con kìa hết. Ui, honey. Oh my God!
You better not lose this one. It's going to your left. It's on your left. Go to your left. You got you watch out for the log. You gotta lose the fish.
Where's my fish?
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Go down and get it. It's going to your left. It's on your left. Grab the mouth. You got watch out for the log.
Oh my God! Look at it.
You gotta lose the fish. That's the same one that be messing around the whole town. Grab them out.
Look at. Hiện nay
you got wrap it around.
Yeah, need go around. That's why. Oh my God.
That's big.
A big one too.
It's the same size as the other one.
Yeah, the other one bigger. Need go around. That's why. Oh my God.
Underwear come on. It's the same size as the other one.
No, the other one bigger. Look at it. Woohoo! Another one.
Underwear come on.
Oh yeah. That's my shot. Oh, another one. Woohoo!
Heck no, man.
How about you? You try to. You don't get. You look at mine. You almost failed. Yeah, pop. Honey, they told you me. I was like, I thought it was stuck, but no, it's not stuck. I thought it was stuck, and I was like, "Ooh, no, it's fish." Lucky. Oh. Lucky. Got two. That's a lot of hook, the little one. I need only little one. I just only little one. Ui, say tao nó ít tao hết tao.
You use that little thing?
Yep, little tiny one. I told you they like tiny one. Same spot that you throw. Same spot I throw. You don't catch, and I catch it. See? You see? Yeah. Small bait, but big fish. Cho còn phải nhưng mà nó tụt béo hôi nhá. Nè. Get another. Okay. all the way down.
Small one? Yeah, they're just baby ones. Tell you they're just some baby ones.
Yeah, good size.
Oh, that's a keeper.
3 already. You wanna see measure?
Nope.
I got another. 14, huh? Yeah, 14. Can you help me? Can you help me? Oh, dia nhặt tiếp. Okay, I got it. Come on, my limit. Mấy hai bạn tự nhận đang du đi nổ đang du. Yeah, mấy hai bạn béo này. Oh my god, honey. Oh, day I didn't record.
No.
Yeah, I got no cat. It's gonna loose. Not bad.
Someone's come off.
Look at it. I got 3, you got 1. Not bad.
No, you didn't.
You gotta catch what? You gotta catch your limit. Look, ooh, it's beautiful fish today. Caught 3, my man caught 1. Very beautiful fish today. Very nice. And good size too. Really good size. Big one. The first one I caught was more bigger. Look at that. Oh, 18 inch. Really nice catching fish today. Oh, good dinner. Yep. Video for fishing today at New Melones. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe below and you get to see my next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Lại xin miên mua nãy thôi bạn tu y chỉ tao béo nha. Liều lại xin mày bữa mảng ọ nè. Lại xin mày bữa mảng thì thôi ôi nó subscribe cái đĩa vợ liều nó mình tu mảng như sang video miếng tàu. Okay, lại xin ô là ô bye ô.